In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively hide or unhide all drawings in TradingView, as well as manage your drawing tools for a more streamlined experience. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, knowing how to control your visual tools can greatly enhance your charting skills and efficiency. Let's dive right in. To begin with, if you've cluttered your chart with various drawings, lines, shapes, and other elements, and you want to clear up the view, the process is really straightforward. What you need to do is locate the eye icon, which you'll find cleverly placed at the top left of your chart right next to the stock symbol. Once you've spotted it, a simple click on this eye icon will present you with options. Select Hide All Drawings to make those lines and shapes vanish instantly from your chart, providing you with a clean slate to work with. When you decide you need those drawings back, you can easily reverse this by clicking once more on the eye icon and selecting Show All Drawings. Switching gears a bit here, let's talk about managing individual tools. TradingView offers you a neat way to keep your preferred drawing tools at your fingertips by utilizing the Favorites toolbar. If there's a tool you use frequently, simply click the star icon next to that tool to add it to your Favorites bar, ensuring it's always on hand when you need it quickly. Furthermore, on the left side of your screen, you'll notice a toolbar, which houses various subgroups of drawing tools, such as Fibonacci tools or Gann indicators. This left toolbar is your go-to place for exploring and selecting different types of drawing tools that TradingView offers. Now, sometimes you might find the need to hide or unhide the entire drawings toolbar to either clear up your workspace or access your tools easily. For this, you should focus your attention on the upper left corner of your TradingView chart where you'll see a menu icon. Clicking on this menu icon will allow you to locate the option for showing or hiding the toolbar. You'll see a slider there. By adjusting this slider, you can easily enable or disable the toolbar based on your current needs, providing you with yet another level of customization for your trading experience. And there you have it. By mastering these simple yet powerful features, you can keep your TradingView chart clutter-free and well-organized, enabling you to focus better on your trading strategies. Remember, keeping your tools managed and your workspace tidy not only enhances your efficiency, but can also positively impact your decision-making while trading. Thanks for watching and happy trading.